So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in create and format hard disk partitions. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to find your flash drive or the drive that you're having a problem with. You want to right click on it and then select change drive letter and paths. And then select change. You want to change the drive letter to anything that comes up here. I'm going to change it to H for example. And then click on OK. And then click on yes. See if that fixes your problem. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once this comes up, you want to expand disk drives. And then once you're on this, you want to find your flash drive. It's going to be either on the disk drives or it's going to be on the DVD CD-ROM drives. Now once you find that, you want to right click on it and then select update driver and then select search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. See if that works. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in chkdsk space and now the drive letter of your flash drive. If you don't know it, you want to go to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then select this PC. You want to find your flash drive. It's going to be showing the drive letter. For me, it's going to be D:. In my case, I'm going to type in D:. After you type in your drive letter, you want to put a space and then type in /F space /R and then click on enter, which will now run that scan for you. Once that's been done, see if that fixes your problem. For the next method, just do a simple restart of your computer. Unplug your flash drive, come back into Windows and then plug it back in again. Hopefully, one of these methods would have fixed your problem.